Hello everyone, here's Hadris with WTI and check out this awesome product for curly hair. I've been using it a lot of time as you can see and I really love the results. It's from Afro. It leaves curly hair well defined, moisturized, and soft because it contains honey and other oils that are really good for hair. The cream is a bit liquid but easy to use for detangling and softening the hair, and it adds a super nice shine. The beautiful packaging mentions what's in this styling cream, which also works as a hair mask. It comes with 16 ounces of product enough for many uses. I especially use it a lot and like to apply with a brush or my fingers to spread the product evenly throughout my hair. Delicious, and that's my point of view.